Next up is the prince that keeps you guessing. He is very unpredictable and always gives you something to talk about. If you're looking for excitement, then look no longer. For listener compass.
Jano Star. Good night, ladies. Looking lovely. I love y'all. Hey. I know y'all wondering why I'm looking so dazzling tonight. Similar to Miss Kitty, you know what I mean? Miss Kitty, I love you, baby. Hey, tonight is my wedding and y'all are invited, you know what I mean? Me married to the money, ooh, wedding again. Say I wedding again, me married to the money. Up like left again, like left again. Me married to the money, ooh, wedding again. Say I wedding again, me married to the money. Up like left again, like left again. Well, for the future, me I said plan. From me a plan, this are the best one. Me propose to Nanny, tonight you getting married. You share are the best man, don't it? Yes, me have $1 million plan. $1 million plan turn in $1 million plan. Me a Nanny, a penny. So in a me one boom, I will leave a great grand. Nanny say me sell a road, big queen of England. But me like Bill 1P and the currency not so strong. She a cuss and I go on. Listen how she a go long, but me tell her see her so black people turn me married to the money. Ooh, wedding again. Say I wedding again, me married to the money. Up like left again, like left again, me married to the money. Ooh, wedding again. Say I wedding again, me married to the money. Up like left again, like left again. Well, for work for money, that's a common courtesy. Stay out for work for money, make the money work for me. From and have the money, language you they cannot work for me. Sam Sharp, alcoholic, you a work addict. Benjamin work magic. Daddy Franklin put one in a pocket. Private jet now, I'm stopping at traffic. Me can't me not traffic right now, me dep on a trick. The queen make the cake and Marcus Chappy. I'm the honeymoon, but me still bring Nanny. Compare and contrast, more fi rich like Shaggy. Spending on me hobby, ask me love me daddy. Well, me married to the money. Wait again.
Locks, come right here. Nuts.
Oh, yes. You know, sir, you is the one who always come out and come fling the bag and frighten away. But tonight, you come with a nice little tune. Now listen to you know. Yeah, wedding again, you're married to the money. I love the concept of that. And not because you give me $100, me still have to dig you up because what? Me no want them fees you bribe me too. You understand me? But you know what? Let me tell you something. It's not that the people them, you don't watch the people them when they come out here. Like say, you know, hear the yeah. It's what we hearing from you. And I love the concept. So you hear me now? You're married to money. Wedding again. Me see you take up people money and give it a while ago. Well, we are going to put him in at the back of the net because him deserve it. Make we kick him in. One more. Beautiful.
All right, scatter.
Frequency May 6, 2nd Chelsea Avenue. Well, you know, I realize with the birds in here, it have sense because I realize that people only get to see him so often throughout the week. So when him step out, him have a thing around him and like him have mums, but it's a part-time image and it'll work. You understand me? So I come in here for that. I'm love how you switch it up tonight. I love the concept of the song Married to the Money because trust me, we're born divorce tonight. So it's good for you say, yeah, make an upward chart in the thing right now. You know me I say, so it's a good concept. All the best, brother.